you.
What up, people? Here is what it will look like if you was to buy one of Prestige's BO3 services. As shown, you can see that this is a completely fresh account with nothing unlocked. So now let's join one of Prestige's modded lobbies. As you can see, after the modded lobby, literally everything is unlocked. Dark matter camo, all calling card challenges, and even crypto keys and liquid divinium. If you want to purchase one of our services, then head to our Discord or contact us on Instagram. The link will be in the description. Also, I am giving away the account that was featured in this video. All you have to do is follow me on Instagram, join the Discord, and also comment on this YouTube video saying, Prestige Mods is the best.